booping at them head. You don't know it's a girl America for you see face and you know how much a clock a strike, right? And we are here representing for Pinky Flames, right? Yes, so guys, make sure you watch a movie to the end. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Subscribe, like, share, and comment. We out.
Chest there. You look stressed out. Chest there. Me not like that the dirty style. Me not like him, man, you know.
I'm here to tell you.
Girl, man have some dirty style. Me not think he money when give me, you know. And he need to get one janitor for ya.
You see it too? You see it too? All in every day this man get up. Wash your plate. Rake up your yard. Make up your bed. So man a go and nah give you enough money. Me not understand why I take money and you know. Daddy feel like so when he do we look on nails and he do we here, I enough for we. And she provide look of food. Me not like the man the style.
I know that man they full of dirty ways, bro.
Yo, watch out now.
Have piece of food.
You know about watch out now. Him go hide that.
Better joke. You know what I'm saying? I go link my friend for work. And he must say he have work for give me. Think about work or one of them then assist. When me go, man want me to rake up people yard. Me not even clean that dirty people. How are this? Me not even clean this sis. Bigger come now. Me have go on mission.
No, me tell you something. Thief boy. Your boy big up on that.
What kind of talk me not talk about thief?
Daddy, me
What kind of talk me not talk about thief? Thief who?
No, she said she get a dream.
Say me did
she
a thief.
But she a thief in her real life. You never know that?
Me ever take something for this man, sis?
Let me say what thief no.
Talk to your father, you know.
Eh?
Talk to your father.
Talk to your father. Oh.
Talk to your father.
You see, that's why when your mama, when
Yeah,
your mama try to beg me back, me tell me say if you run back under film, this is what I said to you.
Listen.
You see, I want to go on your son. We need to separate the tone and I'm going to have longer time. Hey, what you plan to do for yourself?
This man.
What you plan to do for yourself?
Daddy, ease me up.
Daddy,
Ease me up. Ease me up.
Ease you up. A cops are going to ease you up. You're 17 and she's 18. I'm going to tell you this. I don't have no conversation about
Daddy, give me space. Give me space.
Give me space.
Give me space.
I need to get...
Give me space.
Daddy,
Imagine some me a picnic to Rockstone, 3 picnic, We work so hard to provide for them in this abode house, Rat would and pull we out sometime with a nasty, Rat would and pull we by we foot. Everything good, man.
Daddy. Daddy.
What?
Yeah, see me tell you. See me.
Let me boom, Daddy. Let me boom.
Yeah, see me. Come show us now my hair sweep.
Let it go.
I'm Daddy.
Me not have no money for go no. Me nah give you no nothing. Only time when you check me, I want to know one thing. You think you're idiot? You think you're idiot in yourself? Eh? Look for the dirty plate in that place. Rat, I run up and down. Eh? Me not understand. What you expect them to do? Pick it up! I mean, I understand I can't find my belt. Pinky,
Daddy,
where my belt there?
Daddy.
Hmm?
Daddy, look at me.
Pinky,
Me here want do a me.
where my belt there?
Daddy, you like me want pay and Wi-Fi.
Daddy, me no know what bill.
Never pay with a light bill, but the Wi-Fi can go along for right now. Cause
Daddy,
having pit like no need no comfort.
Daddy.
Want to just sit over the neighbor place and constantly I beg for them connect.
Daddy,
Daddy,
you know, say we love you.
Eh?
I love you
We
so
love you.
much, Daddy. Daddy, look at me.
Hey, stop going so man.
We
I love you
nails.
more than even mommy.
Well, I don't know.
Ah, look how mommy
Well,
dead. Look how
yes.
mommy dead.
I
Well,
love you more than mommy.
Eh? Mommy pass away now. I only somebody we have, Daddy. Daddy, you see, me could you know what?
so we can have to use LOVE right now.
Because we love you.
Eh?
Because we know say I love it to Daddy.
Oh no, so not to be that. I mean, no,
Daddy,
so
you
not to
know
be
we
that.
would never
But
do
guess
that.
what? No, it's just the fact say me know say me love Uno, and that is all that matters. Don't touch me now.
Daddy, my brother. There.
Don't touch me now. Cause I know your trend right now. If you rub down my hair and go and like me, a friend. But do that.
Daddy.
Where you say one? Where you say one? Where you say
Daddy,
one?
the back of
You see?
your ear.
Don't worry about my hair.
Me see, me go down the road and me see one girl. Look how you did. Look how Shan fingernail how you do it nice. Me see one girl and remember say me just take off
You're
there one
too
day.
red, yeah.
Remember say me just take off the fingernail them day before yesterday. And me say me want do them back over. Daddy, me see crystal color, pinkish,
Daddy,
pearlish.
you want this stone in there.
All the time I call the girl Dinah.
Daddy.
Dinah here, but she answer.
Sweet.
See the money and things them are go on so.
Aye.
Like me and them. Alright. So you are going now. Me understand say if me not do it, I'm gonna look at money I wrote for a man. And that me not really want. You understand? You can't tell me that me catch you already. Me see you already on phone. What you mean something know about you? Eh? Sometimes I really have to, hey, you see sometimes I just because me have the same color, you know. Why me not do DNA for a long time, you know?
Daddy.
Daddy, where try to make it?
Daddy.
I don't know.
Daddy, I give you money.
Daddy, I have money.
How much? So you say 100
10
nails?
for 10 for me.
No, not 10. No.
How
You
much?
can't lower me standard, so.
Oh.
Daddy, we want 20,000.
Mm-hmm.
Daddy, oh, me did see on TV with me like a 40 feet.
I understand say you try to compete with the figures. But guess what I'm gonna do? I'm going to 5,000 a piece. See?
Daddy, that's too look big.
And anyway, you see my roof?
Yo, watch it.
You see my roof? You see my roof?
Daddy, go away, see me like you. Go.
That is it, man. I owe yourself, man. I go find my belt, you know. I go find my belt. Know yourself, yeah? Take me vex. money in my pocket.
Help the blind, help the blind. Please help the blind. Help the blind. Anything for the blind? Help the blind. Help the blind. Anything for the blind? Help the blind. Help the blind. Help the blind. Anything for the blind? Help the blind. Help the blind. Help the blind. How that? Hi. Thanks. God bless you. Yeah. Yeah. You can know how to give me back wish. You could have get back, but you don't give me already. Help the blind. Anything for the blind. Anything for the blind. Help the blind.
No, she didn't even know.
Anything for the
She didn't
blind.
even know you.
Help the
When I tell them
blind.
to
Anything
bombard,
for
me
the
say, laugh you when you
blind.
see what go on.
Help the blind. Anything for
Yes,
the
I
blind. Help the blind. Anything for the blind. Somebody did that? Anybody did hear? Oh. Help the blind. Anything for the blind. Help the blind. Anything for the blind. Help the blind. Anything for the blind. Put on your hand. So, you think me did blind? Me say, it's a dirty Rasta man there. You see all the dirty Rasta man there? Me need for talk to him. Me need for talk to the people them now.
Oh, me night.
Is he too angry?
When I say I put on me there, put on something around him. When I say I put on me there, put on something.
Where for you put on? You think me blind? You think me blind? Where for you put on this, sir? Me I go to the parents them now. No go on down in the yard. Yard. In the yard. You the next one. Move go in the yard too. But you come para come thief. Me can take up my money. Me take up my money. Can you take me blind? You know how long me want catch you no? You know how long me want catch you no? Walk up too. No walk up, man. Walk up, come phone up and get to the farm. Walk up. Walk up, man. Walk up, walk up, walk up, walk up, walk up. My broadcast, I face the little girl. Walk up. Walk up. Set your body good. Let me talk to your father.
Me good, man. Me good. Alright.
El Rasta boy.
Hold on. No. Why you keep on chopping my pit them? Why you keep on chopping my pit them?
Yeah, daddy.
Yeah, you know you're scamming, you know. You know you're scamming and you're scammer. Hey, hold on.
Daddy, you have a black glass, boy.
Come step yourself. Me know. Always don't drink no time. Let me tell you this. You see when you see my pit them, you leave them alone. Because I understand say I just blame your heart for. Because I know say you know say me know say you're a scammer, you know.
Let me tell you this.
You understand me I say?
Let me tell you this. I never trouble your people. No, me still I do my daily work. They come and thief my hard working money. My hard working money, me boss sweat for.
Hard working? You
Yes.
think hard working if you sling a beg? Me know.
Yeah.
I know this.
And me never have no change. I mean, you have $500.
Give me pit money.
Me don't have money.
And you see to her, me good to her, me give her 150.
See?
I know she have gone like
Alright, listen to me.
She want to come tell her probably she ask for more money and we tell her
Yes,
say
so
we
we
don't
not
have no
happy.
more.
Me know say I say alright.
Yes, daddy.
Take yourself first.
Don't worry yourself.
Don't come back and
Don't worry
don't.
yourself.
Daddy,
Listen
see
here.
glass. See glass in her hand.
Me know it's a
Yes,
scammer. You know say you're a scam, so me don't know where you come as a come go
You
on
know
like
what?
that.
Me don't know long talking with you. You see your pity them, they go and shame on them. Yeah, you know what I mean?
Share with daddy.
You know what they say,
They
boy?
could have seen
Yes,
it.
for top school girl. We share with daddy. We intelligent, we are going to look office work.
If I did intelligent, you do a thief. You know what? You do a better job.
So what you do? What you do? Work? I work
You're
at class, I
blind.
work.
You're
Ah,
blind.
you blind. And
You coming like you're blind.
Yeah, man, I'm blind for true.
Daddy,
Blind.
daddy.
Get up where you go.
No man, call me.
You're tormented. I go kill no with liquid and coke. You think me don't know one of them? You think me don't know one of them?
What we do, daddy?
What mean say me don't know one of them?
From Alam.
You wanna try embarrass me?
Oh, daddy.
Oh, you mean say how? You're a thief from blind woman? Eh? You don't know say woman blind?
Yeah, me say if it up with me.
What mean say stop lick you? Stop a foolishness. I'm here on the pa.
Talk to your
Whatever
son.
go on in the street. Yo.
Talk to your son.
What mean say talk to my son?
Because I ain't touch you, man.
So who come up with the bright idea? Now you?
Him!
Oh, now you there look for the woman money.
Pick me.
Are you tell me if you
So you never
take up the
think
money?
But I ain't.
You never
Then now
think
you
of it,
whisper in my
I ain't
ears.
send me fit.
Now you whisper in my ears.
Listen to me. You see in a life, nobody no force you to do nothing what you no want to do. Cause you foot them move and your hand them move.
I
And a,
really thought
and a
that's
remote
still
go panic.
Daddy,
I really
You
thought
understand?
money they not
I real
thief,
talk.
brother. Show me, send me fit.
I real talk, daddy.
Money not thief.
Daddy,
Yes.
I real talk. But I,
Daddy,
you know what I'm saying?
daddy.
In real life though, daddy.
Wait, no, me tell daddy, say, daddy. Yeah, me tell him one little secret. Come thief with me.
Something wrong with
Thief
you?
with me.
Daddy, not listen
You
to her,
drink
daddy.
mad
Daddy,
piss
not
puss
listen
this
to her,
morning
daddy.
early.
Not listen to her.
That's why in a sun hat it a rock up and down. Not true?
Thief with me. And you see how far you reach.
Hey, yo.
Daddy, I chew your talk, man. Not listen to her, daddy.
Me can't listen to just say that a while ago.
Jano.
Mm.
I
Me
don't
not
say.
even know if I you give
I
me
not really
thief.
thief. We did
Thief
go
in
thief
the
still, you
yard
know,
now.
daddy.
In
But
the
I
yard.
you always say we are going look for.
Mm.
And she show me woman money. Me talk. And she show me woman money. And but I want a piece of money. Me say me there come ask her for true. Yeah.
Me. Ask me for money.
Then I
Alright.
have a father.
The last
I want
time,
to ask
hold
her
on, but
money.
the last time I give you money,
Mm-hmm.
where you do the money?
They go
Say it again, say it loud. No, that too, but the first one I'm gonna tell you about. Say if you not stop to that, you're turn worthless. No, no, well, you can't have little fun in your young days.
But
But
daddy,
you see the box there where you play?
daddy.
You see poker box
Daddy.
and them box where you play? You have to ease up. When them see you, them call me and say, yo, Boston, you
Daddy.
pick me down so.
Daddy,
And then go kill him with leak because I be a trust him a trust off my box.
Daddy, you know, say if it's happy, enough time I box money for you.
And it's same thieving money where you cost, but what the time I can't come give you to.
And that's why house are rotten down.
But watch another really
And
that.
that's why house are rotten down.
Alright, you see, since me ask you for your money, you don't want to give me back my thieving money. Every dollar. I
Give
want
me
it
back.
back. I want it back, right?
You see that man?
Me tell you something.
No,
You see,
sometimes-
don't make me spit. I wanna reach up a yard. Because right now, me a talk to you too much like me on a bridge.
You see it?
Yeah, hear me?
You see it?
Everything
You see how we
good.
come to you as
Stop what I say.
Alright. I'm not afraid of him, but you know. And that me a set up. You see, it's a yard broke me night.
Come on. No, wow.
Excuse me. You're begging $100, please.
Beggar, it's still around.
You can get $100.
If you had the $100, me spend you. Where are you in this community? You force me to see you.
Alas.
Find back your way.
So pretty girl like you.
Where?
Beautiful.
You ugly?
Beautiful girl like you. Where the homeless?
Sissy, you ugly.
Yeah.
I find you look.
Few days back, my house burned down with my parents them in there.
Oh my God.
Parents
And this
ever
are
wicked.
all the things we could have grabbed.
The parents ever wicked.
So,
Why? You know something? What if a man put him up, boy that alone he could have grabbed? You know, feel like he could have grabbed civils.
I'm really hungry. I not eat about 3 days now. That's why I'm begging $100. I not use.
You know, it's 3 days you beg $100.
I mean last year.
The hair wow wash.
Thanks.
They
I
look
really
smelly.
appreciate.
Shut up now.
But she looks smelly for true.
Alright, dear, later, yeah?
This is not a safe
thanks.
community, so you try to find somewhere.
Thanks again, yeah.
Yeah. Tell me now.
You know what you tell me no, you know? Because you want idiot.
Oh, idiot.
You want
Fool,
fool.
and you give it to a girl. Come here, son. Why you share beg with money? And we want more money than she right now. How you see me on the road for homeless? Let me tell you, I don't want to ramp with me now.
Daddy put him on.
I don't want to we are chat. Come like I idiot. Daddy not pick up them the people there. You fool. Homeless.
Where you get homeless friend?
One homeless friend. Let's say me talk about this one homeless friend.
Yeah,
No pass
girl.
her pass and see her and she tap the
But
bush.
come like say know you.
I'm like, no who? No I mo. Listen to me now. You know what? Oh, we not see brother from morning. What will be there?
The thief there.
Yeah, so you're not thief. The told not thief.
You ever see me thief not yet, girl?
The only person who is not thief is me. Come brother
Are
scary
you
man then.
thief? Then what you call that? Thief.
You're a thief. You tell them about a dream boy, you're a thief. I don't dream. A thief, you want me to go thief.
You know if you man do on the house
You make me
for you?
loyal to thief in Shan.
You see you chat too much.
Hey girl. You
Yeah,
know what?
that.
You know what?
The
Everything
girl,
going on.
where you go to about the girl? Can you see girl a follow you up?
Follow low up.
No you.
No girl now follow me up.
See look like you like you.
Like, you know what? Shan, how are you night? Good night.
The girl want you better.
Good night.
So where you go to about the girl? Pinky. Yeah. Me go look if me see him.
Huh?
Look if me see girl.
You see, you drink mad puss piss, you. Where you look at me see
Say that you put up a girl.
Put him up and away.
On the bed.
Man, me kick you out of the room, you know. Come back say on a bed.
Can't put him so.
Oh.
But if you tap down off my bed, you tap on him.
Sean, just go on, brother.
Me look for girl and tell him say you call him.
Tell who call who. I might give you me thump in your mouth, you know. Listen to me. Sean, just go and go bed where you say I go dinner, Sean. Go and go bed, no, Sean. Sean, go and go bed, no.
I feel like nobody, me call the girl.
Sean, go and go bed. Me know a chat, you chat.
I call. Watch I say me not go for him.
And bed, you go bed. Chat, you chat. Nonsense.
Sir, can we get $100, please? I'm hungry. I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna eat flowering.
What do you mean? You can't wait?
I just want something to eat. You can help me out?
You serious? You know, see me I walk up with me and look for you, admire you, because I have never seen an Afro hair in a long time. Real Afro hair. I be wig me see people have up, I go and like says, it's natural as you hear this?
Yes, it's mine here.
Wow. So you really don't have no food to eat. So what really caused this situation? Like, I don't know if I ask you, but me just curious because...
Well, few days back, I go up on the road. My mother and my father, they left at home. Then did I sleep, as can to what people say. The house catch a fire and then burn.
What?
Then burn up in our house. Two of them.
Oh my God.
But all the thing me did get, true me did have some clothes for the wire, so them me did have. I borrowed the bag from somebody. And me I walk and me find myself in this environment here. But not even know where me there. Like literally last night. Me not have nothing, me not have nobody, me not know if it turn. That's why me there, so me not eat from when. Like me just a walk, me last. Me don't know if first way if it turn.
My goodness, me really shocked by the situation. So, what happened to this thing on your neck? Because I'm very confused. Anybody would have asked that question.
To tell the truth, sir, 2 days back, like, I go to somebody and they said they want to whisper something in my ears. I want a man. And he just grabbed my neck, put him out on my neck, and start sucking and while I'm palm me like, sexual. And me I said, no. Like, me start screaming out and people rush down and so. And me feel really embarrassed to have this on my neck, and I don't have a boyfriend. I'm not sexually active because if me did have a boyfriend right now, I'm in a better position right now.
I understand.
But me not have no
so
boyfriend.
What you're telling me is true. But I don't know why I feel it's true yet. I shouldn't even ask that. You understand?
Me not telling no lie. Like, if me did have a boyfriend, I think when my parents husband them, would have got my boyfriend yard.
That is true.
Would they walk till me last?
Alright, I don't know if you still stay, but you have somewhere to stay?
Sir, you're not here, me say.
Like,
me say me not have nowhere
to
to stay. Like, no way me a walk. Right now, me don't know where me there now. Me last.
Alright, you know what I'm gonna do? As me I tell them, I get so, never feel that way in a long time. Cause I have a situation to where my woman, she dead. She, you know, she in one situation where she drop out and left me and my kids them and so forth.
I'm sorry to hear that.
And yeah, but it's not about me. Alright, what I'm gonna do now is this. I'm gonna bring you up to my yard and think you can stay for a few days, as me say, get comfortable. I know when you feel like I just want in your hand, you see it, me know that. I know when you feel like really uncomfortable. When you see me I come to you, you feel comfortable in regards to whatever.
Yeah.
So you stay there, me have 3 hungry belly pitney, but them kinda you know, me have place to put up on your guard right now. I don't know if you say it. But they hardly around, because they always up on the road, so
Me
let me take the
understand.
time and introduce them to you and make you find out. You understand? But no care for me, yeah, if you want to come there. Because I don't really have no cash for me. We don't just, find something to eat in the house or, we cook something. You can cook, by the way?
Yeah, me can
Ah,
cook.
Jesus.
Me can clean, me can do everything. My
Everything.
mother teach me how to do
No,
all
man,
of
I don't
it.
work, me make it come work. Me say make it come in, like, come on, your situation was tough. You understand? Liverpool Road.
Yeah, I really need some rest too.
My name is Boston.
Oh, America. Nice to
American.
meet you,
Ah,
Boston.
nice, nice.
How a dirty girl shot there now. You like a girl style now? Don't touch the road here too. You know so can't wear me. Gotta change that yeah.
Yeah, man, go on inside. You see, sometimes in life, you never know what you see or you meet. As me tell you on the road, say, you have, me want to say 3 people, but me I go say 2, because one of them I'm not sure about officially still. But, this is the place. Oh, we'll see it, man. We'll see it, man.
Can I sit down?
Yeah, man, we'll see it, sit down, man. Let's see. Before me left, me make up a bed. And things.
Thanks. But I really appreciate for you listen to the story and carry me.
No, you see a story? I choose me no want ball, Me no love to ball and go on like me no sense. But me remember when me not grew up, me never say anything to me, but one girl I used to talk to, she tell me one story one time. You see me at the fair, that's why it reached me. I couldn't even bother like say, boy, look the girl or in a certain situation. I have to just take care of her. You understand? Because I used to work at supermarket and the merchant, merchandising. When you fling it back up,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
it like the box and then sit there. And so me even when get some links to get there and sit there, because my virgin now him still send down some stuff and give me car, We have friends, that's how we deal with it. So we help people and people help us back. You understand? So me see you now, me have to help you. And then what you tell me now, trust me, I feel say rock me, but yeah, boy. Me say me not go ball, but sure.
It's alright.
It touched me, man.
Oh.
It touched me, I tell you. But I say go,
As we said, thanks again for carrying me in your home.
Yeah.
So why you live?
I said one to 3 people, but I got say 2. But the thing is this again. Can you even tell me say like you wash your clothes this morning in the river?
Yeah,
And
but
thing, cause
wow, me sit down on the bed, you know, so kind of damn.
how yourself, man? Them pitting a piss bed enough time and all them sitting there something. How yourself,
For true?
Yeah, man. Them rank and face it. But as me say, you can stay here. When know say one of them soon forward or 2 of them soon forward one time, then can't. You ever meet some people where they can't agree but them feel like them feel to talk together? Yeah, them that. You understand? But one of them might can do you hear a little bit. Well, Jesus, hush. I know that I hook on my finger a while ago and my nail. But why you have some work to do? One of them, I think the black monkey one when me have around the yard, she can't help you, because she can't do here.
And your daughter, you call your daughter
If me,
monkey?
well, you soon hear me attack about. You soon see me attack about. Because them trouble people. And I tell them stop to trouble people. You understand? That's all. Then I say I'm sick and I'm tired. They say, you say, this man me coming with the broom now. I'm there I sweep, And you know what them do to me? She gonna tell me say they want to sweep. Eh?
So why if they tell her so they want
You see, you now read it, you have to follow the lines. If a lazy somebody come check you and say they want to help you do stuff
that
today,
means so they want something.
when they want sitting,
Oh, when
today they want sing things. So what you have to do is make them move and go on. What I say, feel comfortable and thing. What we go do now is catch up some water, because the water pressure, that's the only problem here. The water pressure is not really great. Yeah.
Man,
I want to waste the water on. You see my wastewater around there? And that is the biggest problem. I know it's
So what is their name?
one is Pinky and one is sure. Sean. And me have a little a boy him boil me, but him kinda me no know something wrong with him bulb. Him bulb short circuit. I think him lose him fuse or something have gone somewhere. I don't know. Like I don't even know. Cause people say him smoke. I never see him smoke. I don't smell smoke on him when he forward there. So I don't know. So you have to mad from a different perspective, I don't know. So I left it this alone.
You can eat coming home.
Yes, man. As you can look over there, so we have a lot of things. You can cook. You can cook for see,
Yeah, we can cook.
Yes.
We can clean.
Alright, that one thing I'm gonna tell you about me now. See? And you have to understand this is the number one priority. Something can get me off the chain mad. You understand? No put no salt in my pot. No put no salt in me.
So sorry,
Me say no put, worry about why it did so far. That I feel sprinkle around the yard and run up it sometime. What me say no for do?
Sprinkle salt.
No put no salt in my pot.
No put no salt.
Alright, so let me say.
So
Don't worry about that, man. A regular thing. So come now.
Get your name. What's your name again?
My name is Boston. Boston, like Chicago, Boston, foreign. That's why when them, you see Boston, I made that. I made them something weird. Alright, so it's a 2 pound of flour.
Alright, it's that.
Right, rice. I tell you something hungry, the hungry still, your belly work one different way your brain work.
Man, if I'm chocolate.
Yeah, well, I thank you for care, So as me say,
mackerel.
mackerel.
I really eat mackerel now, but it's alright. Me eat it.
I don't understand that, It sounds like you have a next option. You come around house. Alright, I'm a bypass that. Alright. So it's 4 of us. So 1, 2, 3.
So when you cook 4 mackerel for somebody, so everybody eat 1?
Yes, then craving like that. Don't worry about it. You will catch on, Let me say that them give me the thing from that place, then we sort it out. So alright, so
when onion and pepper and this, so
alright, let me tell you, say things kind of rough, really as smooth as we want it to be officially, right?
yeah.
So normally we have bird pepper we pick out in neighbor yard, but them and me have one argument which day and then just chop down the tree. Then say me alone and me pepper them, So that's that. So what's about to make you up? Just throw the black pepper on it. Black pepper on it. Oh, sorry, what try you see? I might make a big mistake. Alright, so red and red. So, yes, it
It don't really matter.
yeah, man, that one there different kind of sardine. Alright, so let's do it. I'm gonna catch you water. Come and tell you, so the water is the only problem here. Alright?
Yeah.
Yes, so we talk, alright?
Yeah. Oh boy. Boy, the man a real dinner. But I'm really grateful for the fact that say in the
I'm grateful one daddy there.
But
Yeah.
me I go.
How about this a homeless girl I do? Hey girl.
Me I go do what me have to do.
Hey!
What you do?
Where you coming here? Where you take coming here?
Me know.
Ah! A tree window you broke.
No.
Where you take coming
And
here?
your father came here.
Me who?
Your father.
See me daddy. My sister see you.
No, your sister doesn't see me not come see it, no.
Who authorized you?
And your father give me them.
Girl, you know the clothes are from yesterday. And you coming out of the kitchen? Your ear want wash your smell. Don't touch nothing in our house, please. And me I go get to my sister to come here because you can't stay here. You have to go left.
But your father said we must.
That's what my father said. My father no run this mackerel and rice here or in your store. My father have to listen to me and my sister. Now you have to come out.
I don't know if you say, but.
No, you don't need to say nothing. You have to come out. You can't turn here. We don't want a homeless girl in our place. That no have me no hungry. You know to come like this a girl and I understand. find your hungry this. Put your hungry
But
this
me
somewhere
can't
else.
treat me, sir. What
Put
if
your hungry this somewhere. My sister never give you $100. Yes.
sister not give me no money? No, never give you no money.
Help yourself with this. Help yourself.
Me no want tea. I food me a cook. You
want
never bring
touchy?
me come here, your father bring
Hey,
me
girl.
come here.
You sure glad say somebody I give $50. You want touch me mackerel and me rice? Come on.
You know
Yeah, me
why,
escort you.
you know why me go leave everything? Because you're son of me. And me don't want your father put me up before time. So, you know what?
Come on.
Because you're not for
Hold
me.
on. Wait.
What I want
Alright, explain more about it. Explain more.
Daddy,
Explain more.
you feel like I want this, sir?
I was in bed, got the backside.
So we are going
show
to
you, so wait me say we make a liquid it. Say something again. Say something. Say something, me say. Say it now. Cause you have mouth when the bed not fine. Say something. Let me tell you this. This a girl that me see her up on the road and her story is so heartwarming. And me carry her in a place and just
Shut up.
Shut up what?
Alright,
Say it
Daddy.
again,
No,
say it again.
no,
Say it again.
Daddy, no. Never you me did that.
You need to talk.
No.
And one thing we know, I just because you know say, hey. And you know say when this girl is skinny and doctor pick you up, you know. Yes. Let me tell you about the monkey face one now. See monkey face one now. Listen to me. This girl is gonna stay here for a little while and you have to understand
Daddy.
say hey! Shut your mouth to me
She
and
won't
talk.
understand. She stink.
No, who stink? You like beard? Eh?
Of course, me like.
You like the beard?
Of course, me like.
You remember one time when you run through the bush and a bee fly around down and you won't think of bees? You come to me and say, Daddy, bees, make I have money. And I fly, you remember? You remember that show? You leave people alone.
The fuck remain, she can't stay here.
You mean she can't stay here?
Can't my yard.
So,
I don't care yard this time. Mommy yard this time.
Oh, yeah. Mommy wish yard. And
From
mommy
mommy, they
collect
just-
the money from me and pay the workman them. And mommy take the money and that's
I never
all.
see that.
You
I
can't
never see
see
that.
that. You can't see that. Where your
I-
mother go work?
I mean, no pink.
Where your mother
never see
work?
that.
Where your mother used to work?
Excuse me, sir. I see if me gonna cause problem with your
No,
family.
you don't cause some problem, man.
Me go on because
Listen.
me don't want no problem in that
Listen to me.
place. Please, we are
This is
begging.
the problem. And that's the problem. That's the
I
only
get
problem here.
one less girl I put over your
It's
pillow.
not a
them.
matter whom. No, but you don't say.
Daddy, pink is him.
You see? What?
Pink is him.
Let me say Pinky see. Pinky don't see her yet.
He can't tell her.
Who can't see her?
Sis, not see
Why
her.
she can't see her?
Mhm.
No, alright, give me your reason why she can't see her then.
She's homeless.
So that's why she have a home now, so
She
she
not no
don't want
mother.
again.
She
Eh?
not no father. She not sister. She
This
not.
is the home take off the less. She
You're
I
mad.
guess she bill.
You
I
know
guess she
say
bill.
you're mad. Daddy, you're mad. Brother and sis have to go start out this a homeless somebody. here.
Brother,
You know if I dopey in a girl,
Sir, me can't take disrespect.
I
Me
don't
can't
pay
take
the
that.
night,
Me
girl.
can't- me
Listen,
can't-
you see
Honest.
girl look like dopey.
Me can't stay
so.
here, so. Because, no, me can't
Daddy,
pay
she have
her.
a dopey look.
I take she take immaculate from you.
Yeah, and push me
Daddy, she have
down.
a dopey look.
Touch back immaculate. If a union son from St. Elizabeth, touch it back.
Daddy is not.
Touch it back. If a union son from St. Elizabeth, touch it back. No one see you touch it.
Daddy, I know St. Elizabeth me come from. I
A
come from.
St. Yamma come from, so anywhere
Come
Yamma
from
come
out
from,
of
and this
my
you come. Yeah.
belly.
St. Elizabeth.
I come from out of my
That's why if
belly.
he put enough time when we in our bed and we can't buy a white sheet because he foot just red and nasty. Come on.
Daddy, me away from brother and saying did I come?
5, 4, 3.
Alright, Daddy.
Yeah, hear me so. Come on, Daddy. Come on, man.
Alright, me a come out. And me a call.
Breathe the spirit.
Me a go call brother Paya. Ugly Rasta man.
Let me tell you this. It's not your fault. This is an everyday situation with this Ginny Beck. I don't understand why she stays so. only thing she want to do is just destroy. Eh? She must a mosquito destroyer to beef ball. Just a burn constant till it burn out. But listen, as I say, hold yourself. May I cook it?
I just can't
Just
bother.
relax yourself.
Me-
You see, in life, let me tell you this first. There's this thing in life. You see, nothing in life comes easy. You understand me? So you have to fight. You understand me? I say?
Me not have the strength for that, you know, because remember, so me lose my parents them in the house when the house burned down, you know. So me have a lot going on in my head. Me can't dey fight one next battle when time my parents ain't gone left me. Like, you know, understand?
I understand, man. Can me hear your story and me understand what's going on. Don't think me to hear it word for word. You understand? It's just me processing it now on a little by little basis. You have understand? So I say, but listen to me. Everything you can't feel say you're going to get over. You can't get over it. You understand me? I say, if the mere fact you think to get over it, that's the mere fact you feel. You have to try to get around it and continue upon your journey. And see you meet me, and me attack and me a reason. And the reason why you come here is because you trust me, you believe me. There's something about me that brought you here. You understand? If I was in church, I would say amen. But at the end of the day, you have to understand, say, I just saw life go. The spiritual aspect of life. When you connect, you connect. You understand me? I say? As me tell you about the mackerel them. Nobody cook 4. Because I don't get that one then on the mackerel. Because I don't know one thing. I feel like say I run things.
So for just cook
Just cook
three
3. 1, 2, and I should not cook 2, you know. Because Pinky, she go and like say him,
Pinky.
no manners.
Oh, me not meet Pinky.
You don't meet Pinky yet. And do. When you meet Pinky, just call me. You understand? Because I'll be here. And maybe in a bathroom or so forth or what the case may be. Yeah. Because she's the next problem, but not really big problem. You understand me? I say, so you can fix. So yeah, man, also them too then. Them can do their own things themselves. I'm going to rest out because I'm tired of I
Which
give
part
little
wash your
girl so
plate? Which part wash your plate? Them can now clean plate in the kitchen.
Lord Jesus, I forget me to catch water. You know, some go down my place to catch water and walk left it. Can me hear this just loud noise that go on and me have to run come down here? Eh?
Yeah, come want to water for wash your plate them first.
Alright. May I go for the water?
Alright.
You understand? We work as a team, man. You understand? So don't worry yourself. Even though we forget to hear the good don't come. You understand? All that. But yeah, may I get the water and come back?
Alright.
Are you yeah. My phone is there. If you want to code for it, it's 911 and then 119. You understand?
911.
911. No, one. You figure it out. Cause you go try it. You go try. I know you go try. Alright, I got your water.
Right. Sean, I know what I say. Me not. Hi.
Hi. Look, me can't manage a drama. So, if a drama you go give me now, please, me not in it.
Drama?
Me can't take no more.
Alright, listen. Which drama? Yeah. Now you me pause earlier. I beg me 100 and me give you.
Yeah, me.
Very small world. So, who you know? Who you know here?
Oh. Your father bring me here.
Daddy?
Yeah, your father.
Oh, daddy. Oh, okay. So we had to cook.
Yeah, so must cook because cook for me and him because you know if you go eat from me, so.
Oh, you're good, man. You're good.
So you want food.
Cook, man. You may eat it. So, you alright, though?
Yeah, me good.
You wash some plate them too. Oh.
Yeah, me have for your father to carry some water come.
Oh, okay. Alright, me. You just go sit down there, sir.
Alright. Mind me glass here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. You alright?
Huh? Yeah, me alright.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, me go out the road and come back here.
Alright.
So make yourself comfortable. I love pepper here, but don't cook it food with no salt, cause daddy not gonna eat it if you put salt in there.
Me know you tell me already say no put no salt in it.
Anyways, my apology. My name is Pinky.
Oh, Marika.
Okay, nice to meet you, America. Me go out the road here.
The one is nice. Me like the one that. Why good people still exist? Well, at least one of them make me feel comfortable. Not even seasoning on the oven. Okay. Oh.
Hey, girl. I like you.
Pinky.
Remember, Pinky.
Hey, girl.
You say everything go like you.
Hey, girl.
Oh, me do.
Use up so. We want wash.
What mean by what you do?
What you...
Listen to me. You think you can
Hey,
take over
listen to
father?
this. Listen to this.
Oh,
My father don't want you. Don't go let you're homeless. You need a
Father
house.
say he would have never take up a homeless girl like you. Cause you don't look good.
And you smell.
Father say. Our father say if he make a mistake and kiss you. My father say only cut the whole I teeth them out your mouth.
Unless no saliva in your mouth.
Me not understand.
What mean by not understand?
Say,
What is not there
I
to
beg.
not understand?
Me no want to kill you.
Oi,
Pinky.
you know your mother.
Where you get
And you
money?
will never be your mother.
Where you get money?
Me no want be your
Where
mother.
you get money?
Me just.
So.
No,
And daddy get this? Daddy get this? Give me.
$100 where they give me.
I want me to give you? Oh,
We take it back.
Let me tell you something. You will never.
Listen to me now. Not because you don't see me.
Back up!
Back. You're bright. You're out harder. You don't take me friend out, no?
What you just do? You're
Hello,
mad.
listen to me.
You're sick.
You look-
I'm saying stay push. Hey girl, know yourself.
Oh,
Don't take it. Hey girl, don't
Remember
put it on
say
my face.
crazy.
Don't put
Sis,
it on my face now.
Sis, remember say
No, what
crazy.
you do now?
No.
What mean by me crazy?
No, what
No, what you do?
You
Can't
know
pull
what
up
type
Hey,
of
girl,
family
we
me
get
come from?
dirty in this.
And
girl.
we get
We
dirty.
get
No,
dirty.
this
Afraid
look
of
at
you.
This a concubine, yeah. What daddy take up?
Boy, we're going to take over daddy house. And take over everything in the girl.
Girl, chop me.
Don't let me spit.
Queen.
Try me. I'm a give you
No
a
bother
hand
with that.
back.
No bother with that round
Yo,
yourself.
me not afraid of you
But me
neither.
don't know you have afraid of me and you don't know me and you me
You don't know who.
The
Let me
homeless
tell you now.
girl.
And this are the girl where daddy take up.
We're homeless.
You see what mother? What mother broad.
And all that affect me.
Broad.
And all that affect me.
You're sleepover.
And all that
And
You're
affect
one
me.
night stand.
You
You're
see
one
this a
night
monkey?
stand.
This a monkey
Yeah,
favor
one
daddy.
night stand.
You see him? Me don't know which part him drop from, but all me do is say me favor me mother.
Right true.
Yeah.
And we dirty.
Let me tell you
As a matter
something,
of fact,
girl.
as a matter of fact, me don't want to know house because my house a burn down.
That
the
your house
better
a burn
house.
down. That
That
your house.
house.
Watch out
So
now.
yeah,
So me don't know one and go and suffer like me didn't want to know
bed where
house.
she long pan, she come and go out but she don't want it. Hey, girl, me tell you something about us. Our daddy make the house look so. Our daddy make it look so him the teeth in one here. The teeth in one here, he make it house look so.
I don't try no
They
big
right
and what
them.
list now. I know what I do in a life. No,
Oh,
I'm
yeah,
not doing
talk
a
to
lot.
girl.
Why try no? Me afraid of
And you don't know me and me don't
As
know
a matter of fact, phone clothes on the
Go on, come
oven
in your
can't
clothes
buy
up,
me
Where you
suit.
go, so we come part with?
Idiots. Stupid people. Two. Drunk.
Oh,
Who are dirty girl?
What
Hey, if you
I will tell her to go. Hey.
we're afraid of you.
God,
Sorry, we
as
don't
a
want
matter of fact.
we don't want
The
that.
smell.
We don't want if you catch back up on the horse, girl.
Yeah, mildew, girl.
Me also want to go and do.
Yeah, mildew. Every day you drain. Every 3 days you drain. Rubbish.
Girl.
Come on.
Are you?
You're punk. You can't walk.
That's all I do. Teeth. Who am I got teeth for you?
Me don't want to him.
Hey,
Hey. Hello. What happened? I want to you.
Let me go. Me sick and tired that you are your pitney them.
What do you mean sick and tell me?
Me go shop for go buy seasoning and your pitney them come from road and pull me here and disgrace me.
Which pitney
And
them?
I call me
Pitney them?
one clothes and something and I tell me about you don't want me and something.
So you believe them?
And I talk about me a one night stand and something.
Lord have mercy.
What you pick me up for? For come in your place for people for your pitney them disgrace me
No.
and class me.
Alright, listen.
Listen
I
to
am
me.
listen. I'm sorry if you feel this way, but it's not me. You can't take them and think say I feel the same way how them are going. You know, sister, them feel like say them I compete with you. I compete, I cut them jealous.
Oh, then for jealous, you can't sex a pitney them?
No,
Then
no,
can't
no,
please you?
don't do that. Don't do that. Don't say
So
it
why
again.
them are jealous
But
of
I am
me?
saying to you that them jealous of the company. Them feel like say you are come take over the place. You are come take charge. You are cook. You are give them food for eat.
So
it's
why
like
mother do that?
that's what them feel. That's what I explain to you. So you cannot come and feel like say you can blame me now. Listen to me. Listen, calm down. I'm sorry. You understand? When you came here, you make me comfortable. Just relax now. And listen to me, I say, come and understand why you make them the good loggerhead pitney. You see, even the one, the monkey one, I don't understand. She started, don't you?
A Pinky started.
Who?
Pinky started, like, me shocked. Me even turn up the day and I say, Pinky, like, me
Start
couldn't
what?
believe. When she see me, I say, you see you girl, and you come and my father place like you walk out.
Pinky?
No, like you're deaf. Something wrong with you. Then your son, I first me meet your son and your
Which
son.
son?
Him, me not even know his name.
One little kicky one?
Yes. And he eye then wide.
Like a ball, blast and say I'm a ball. Lord
Yes.
Jesus.
Him.
Him
Come to there.
me have one thing
run
to
up
say
on
hit me cannot sure say my jacket, you know. Because for me and female mentality is totally different. I'm sorry. Can I apologize on their behalf? I'm gonna make it better.
And then how you gonna make it better?
Don't worry, man. I have
Me
a
and them
plan.
go there in one
Listen,
house.
no, don't worry yourself. I have a plan. Just all right. I'm gonna make too much seal to the cars. Out of sea, nothing about go on. And the woman take a 10 pound of fish and say she will pay me back later. So just go buy seasoning. And by the time you buy seasoning and reach home, everything will go alright. Yeah? Hug me up, man. Come here. I'm sorry. Very sorry for this. Remember saying, you know, when you tell me that story there and everything changed my life, you know. So how me can make you come out of my life now? I feel what foolishness because I'm dirty pit there. One of them have 1 more year left under the roof there, you know. 1 more year, 18, and them out. And I wonder why 18, I kick them out. But as me said, make me do what I do. Yeah? Go and go buy season. Alright?
Yo, you see from when me I keep me cool. You see from me I keep me cool.
No, you love up, girl.
Listen.
Welcome, girl.
Stop be nice, brother. I'm just there trying to chick her, to show her, to listen.
Brother,
Always
me
the
not
chicks
like
to them.
somebody me I get rid of them.
Always the
right
chicks to them. We most wicked things still. Listen now. Imagine daddy him. You hear me or not hear
Oh,
me?
tap touch me.
Imagine daddy him.
Don't touch me. Cause for the
Imagine.
same day me I put out the girl.
And that you talk about, or you talk about how the girl take daddy. We are talking about how she take her
You see,
father.
daddy too, you know,
How
no
daddy?
ambition. Cause
How
mommy
daddy
dead.
really figure live on with that the careless girl there. That the homeless
Girl
girl
ever
there.
in a one blue clothes.
You know I'm glad about.
And
we
he not
put-
doing head.
You know I'm glad about we put
Put
her
him
out.
out.
Oi, daddy na no ambition. Imagine if
Look
I'm
for
on
mommy.
pass away.
No, look for mommy. Just look for
Look
mommy.
how mommy what he big. You know, see how we
Mommy
get to
breast
look.
stiff, mommy belly
You know,
flat.
see how mommy we get to look.
Look
Up
eyes,
bottom from.
look cock up body.
Eh? Only thing you favor the monkey too much.
You not even know
You
if you
should
girl.
favor the monkey.
No, I'm not the female.
Hey.
You not even know if you girl have STD.
No, no, pray on there something for daddy girl if you don't
If
like
you get
him
it,
right
if you
now.
get it, and dead and give you yours.
As me I say, we love daddy to we
Say-
heart.
I told you no,
Daddy.
I love daddy.
You see, this a daddy how we have. And the best thing could have ever happened in our life, yo.
I want this Amala. I want him. Vegan spray. See vegan spray. I must get him up put out.
Daddy, how are you, daddy? Daddy, how are you, daddy? Daddy,
go wash them.
I want that alone. You want fix up in here. We come here
No.
and say, fix up in here, you know.
Imagine. Daddy,
You laugh.
Daddy,
You
daddy,
a joke. You
But
a
daddy,
joke.
they'll fix up in here, daddy.
daddy happy to
Daddy, how are daddy? Daddy, how are? What? That's
This, I go cut through the door there. Along with the two of them. You see, when me realize what I'm really up to in a one day, it take me to realize that me no want no responsibility for una again. You are 16, no, you're 17 and you're 18. You gotta take care of she.
you're not
You
even know
understand?
your daughter age.
No worry about
I'm me
that.
at 17 and she at 18.
No, well, you don't have to go walk you out for yourself.
So daddy,
Ah,
I'm
yes.
put me out.
I'm mama dead left. Daddy, what time mommy dead left this year?
Mommy
You
dead left.
can't
Mommy dead left. Come on, go on. Listen to me, I say. Me no want to.
Daddy, your mommy dead left.
The band.
Your mommy dead left and your mother dead left. You idiot.
No, come on.
First thing, see the air will come up
Me I
your
go
feet.
part. Me I go part
Daddy,
with.
ah.
Listen, me go part ways with you right now. I hate this. You understand me? I say. Me no want to spoon back in the house because me no understand how you do so much things to the girl in one day.
Daddy,
One
you
day.
pinky.
Women think you are you.
Ayo!
Me?
Daddy, put him out.
I told her go because she say and then you follow. So who worse? Eh?
You want to follow him if he be a leader. Put him out. Daddy.
Get back.
You see it? You see it?
Boss, hey.
You see it, Daddy?
Come,
Daddy,
come,
me
come,
willing
come.
to go.
Yeah,
Put
take
out
your
the
time, boss.
suitcase.
No, take your time,
Put
boss.
out the suitcase first. Come, can't manage it.
You wicked. Now what? Now sit down. Wicked son. Hey. You ever
Daddy.
come out that place? You think I joke me? You think I joke me? What? No worry about that. Go on. Come on.
Rubbish. Nonsense. Hey, take time.
Because you know your plan, you have plans already, not true? You have your plans already. You don't want to put back in a place. You hear me say?
Your horse red.
You can't come from yourself. And then you come from.
It's a girl, Pinky. Thanks for watching this movie, guys. You have made it to the end. Make sure so now subscribe, like, leave a comment, and share everything. You understand? I'm out.